Let's play a game with the alphabet and the refrigerator. When you write a sentence in English, the first letter in the first word needs to be capital. For example, in this sentence, dinosaurs are cool. Here's our first word, dinosaurs. And we need to write the first letter, D, in the special capital way. The two letters that we're focusing on are capital E and capital L. Let's play a game with the alphabet refrigerator. Maybe we can write a sentence with our capital letters. Open the fridge. Look at the food that I found. It's an egg. If we wanted to write a sentence about an egg, and we wanted to write the first letter, if we wanted to write the first word, egg, do we need capital E for egg, or do we need a capital L for egg? That's right. We need E for egg. Let's make our first word of the sentence something about the egg. So let's take the capital E. Let's touch and say our sentence. Eggs are yummy. Now, let's write that sentence. Remember, the first word is eggs. And the first letter in our first word, we need capital E. Eggs are yummy. Eggs. And because it's the first word in our sentence, we need that capital E. Eggs are yummy. Eggs are yummy. And here's our whole sentence. Eggs are yummy with a capital E. Now it's your turn.